Are you ready to revolutionize your drone experience? Meet the ViDiUAV 3112 Brushless Motor, your new secret weapon for soaring through the skies. Designed for both thrill-seeking FPV racers and heavy lift enthusiasts, this motor is the ultimate game changer. With unmatched torque and reliability, it's time to elevate your aerial adventures like never before. Measuring just 36.742 and weighing a mere 6.8 g. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with a KV value of 1300 or 900. Whether you're chasing speed or lifting up to 10 kg, this motor delivers impressive performance, boasting a maximum output of 1440 to W4, the 900KV and 1613W for the 1150KV variant. HighTorque C parts accessories. ViDiUAV 3112 10kg dronemotor 3112 1300KV 3115 900KV 1150KV. Brushless UAV motor for FPV racing drone, crafted with high-temperature resistant copper wire and a rugged titanium alloy shaft. Our motors are built to endure the toughest conditions while ensuring smooth operations. ViDiUAV 3112 with a 12 and 14P slot pole design. You'll experience less resistance, resulting in longer flight times and enhanced efficiency. Plus, enjoy quick delivery within 10-20 days, and a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. For any questions or support, reach us out WhatsApp, WeChat, ITSKIS 13,650,000,9450, or email sales@ViDiUAV.com. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your drone setup. Grab your ViDiUAV 3112 motor now and prepare for an exhilarating flight experience. The skies are calling. Let's fly higher, faster, and with unparalleled control.